Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ajaxx here with another video. I want to say thank you to those who are subscribed and welcome to those who are here for the first time. I want to give a quick shout out to one of my subscribers. His name is Giovanni Plays. He actually is a streamer on YouTube, so please check out his channel. Alright, so you have clicked on this video so you can know how often you should upload or the frequency you should upload. It is summertime, and I know some of you probably have free time and you're like, oh, I want to start up a YouTube channel, or I want to reboot my YouTube channel. So these are some of the tips that I have used that I'm going to start using, and maybe we can do this challenge together. I will let you know what that challenge is later on in the video, but let's get on to the meat and the potatoes. So basically, you want to try to upload as much as possible. If you are able to upload every single day on YouTube, you should upload every single day, especially if you're a gaming channel, because this niche is very saturated and everybody wants to be a Fortnite YouTuber. Everybody wants to show off they're the best, but you want to make sure that you post every single day if you can. Especially most of you guys are probably teenagers and you have nothing to do this summer and you're not someone that goes outside. That is perfect for you to upload every single day. Now, it's hard to upload something every single day if you don't know what you want to upload. If you're a gaming channel, obviously gaming content is easy to upload every day because you just play the game and they go out and you just keep turning them out. But you want to make sure that you have tags to match these videos that you're putting up every single day. Let's say you put up 7 videos for 7 days and your tags are just terrible and you literally have 1 view for each video, and that's because you watched it or you had a friend to watch it. You want to make sure that you have enough videos for people to watch and keep coming to your channel or stay at your channel. So let's say you're someone that uploads every single week and you have something that you can put in a playlist, right? So let's say you do something every single day instead of just once a week. You have multiple playlists to put videos into. So now at the end of your video, you can put a playlist to continue for whatever area that you're talking about, whatever topic, and then you can have another playlist of whatever else you're doing. So like I do gaming videos, and I also do tips to help with streaming on Twitch and YouTube. So I can have my YouTube playlist at the end of this video, or I can have my Twitch playlist at the end of this video, or I can have them both because they're both going to be helpful for everyone. Okay, if you cannot post every single day of the week, I would say try to post at least 2 to 4 times a week, because at least you have more videos for people to stumble upon. If you only have 1 video a week and then you keep checking your YouTube studio like a crackhead and you see 1 view and you're like, okay, then by the time you get ready to do your next video, you've had 2 or 3 views and you're like, I don't know if I want to keep making content because no one's really watching me. No, it's because you don't have enough videos out there for people to watch. When I first started off on YouTube, I was uploading, I think 3 days a week or 4 days a week, and I would get a lot of views in the beginning, and then work, school, and life happened, so I had to slow down and get to 1 video a week. So now that I'm at 1 video a week, for the past, I want to say 2 to 3 months, I've gained about 100 subscribers. So it's not that bad. But if you have more videos, you'll be able to gain more subscribers, because then more people will be there to watch your videos that you create. Okay, those are just some of the things that I think you should do if you want to upload, and how frequently you should upload. That's how frequent you should upload. If you can do every day of the week, at least for the summer, if you're someone that's a teenager and you have the free time off, go ahead and do that, especially if you're a gaming channel. If you're not a gaming channel, you're a how-to channel, or you do unboxings, obviously you can't unbox something every single day of the week, but you can do something like, oh, this tech is coming out, this is what I want, these are the specs for it, and this is what you should do. Or if you're someone that's into computers or laptops or whatever, it is college season is coming up. Like, I know it's about to be July and college doesn't start till August for some people, but August will be here really fast. So if you have like tips for college students, hacks for college students, something like that, and you post it every day or like you talk about your experience as a freshman in college, I promise you, even if you're talking about being a freshman and a gamer and trying to juggle school life and gaming and YouTube, or school life and Twitch, or whatever you want to talk about, I promise you, if you have videos coming every few days within a week span, you're gonna start getting subscribers, or you're gonna get at least people interacting in the comments, because that's what you ultimately want. When people engage in the comments, when you get likes, you rank higher in, you know, the search. Okay. Yeah, so the challenge that I was talking about. So because I am also on vacation for the summer, because my job, I have vacations for the summer, I am going to try to upload a video every single day for 30 days. And then at the end of that, I will show you my results. Now, it is going to be kind of hard for me because I am one of those people that struggle with what type of topics I should talk about, and especially trying to get Fortnite clips, because as you can see, I am not like a Fortnite god. So I have to play like 2 or 3 matches before I get at least 1 to 2 kills. And my partner, it seems to always die, just like when she threw that boogie bomb at me and I almost died because of her. But that's neither here nor there. So I challenge you guys to upload 1 video a day for 30 days. Whatever your content is, upload it for that, or, you know, do a variety. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ajaxx here. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you want to, a subscribe would be nice, but it's not, you know, it's not a mandate. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Ajaxx here, out.